Hello viewers, this is a Pengiun fan. It's made by Hui Zuhan Rong-Exen Electric Works Co. Limited, model DB-101. And it claims to only draw 35 watts, which is kind of surprising for a straight-up home motor. Anyways, the reason I got this is because there was a fan sold under the brand Leisure Ways, I think it was, or Leisure Ways, or whatever it is. It was sold many years ago, sometime in the mid-2000s, at our local grocery store chain, Big Y. I don't know if those are in other parts of the world or not, but it was sold there for one season only. Never saw it before that, never saw it after that, never saw it anywhere else. It looked just like this. It was white, but the blades, the front guard, the outside here, the handle, the switch was different, but the back of the motor was the same. Very, very, very similar to this fan. It also had the blue tape over the windings. I have no doubt that it came from the same manufacturer as this one does. It was just sold under a different name. And I have one of those fans. I've got one, and it's actually not a terrible fan. The manual it came with is comedy gold. It's the most discombobulated, jumbled up piece of garbage I've ever seen. I gotta do another video on that manual because it's just too funny. I was gonna dig it out for this video, but the cabinet the fan is in is buried in a whole bunch of junk, and I didn't have time. So, anyways, but so I found it interesting to see another one of these fans, and I'm gonna have to look it up under the Pengiun name and see if I can find it for sale somewhere. Not that I'm interested in buying another one; it's just a curiosity to me. So anyways, it does have a fused plug, so this must have been made relatively recently. The one that I have, it doesn't have a fused plug. And so this must have been made, let's see, 2014-01, so it was made in January 2014, probably sold in the summer of 2014. So that's kind of interesting to me, to know that the design was around for a substantial amount of time. Anyways, let's turn it on, see what happens. Per the manual, before you use it, it says, fan on the set a dry level surface. That's what the manual says. And I believe the word set was like capitalized, and then one of the other words had a period in the middle of the sentence or something. It's so bad. And then the other thing it says is to press the switch knob to the desired speed. Okay, that works great. Alright, so let's, on a more serious note, let's test it out and see if it works. We're testing at 119 volts here. There is a glare on this meter. I have to get the other thing that I would like to plug this into, the real thing that has the plug on it, is in the same cabinet as the fan with the crummy manual in it, which is also buried in a whole bunch of junk, so I didn't get that out for the video either. So we're just going to make do here with this. We'll test on watts, and it does go 1, 2, 3, which is something nice it has going for it. And it also has a wall mount. Plastic feet, which I remember the other one had plastic feet as well. Here's speed 1. Oh man, this is moving so much air. This is incredible. Okay. Look at the blade is shaking so bad. That's so bad. Oh man, this is awful. This was not manufactured correctly. It didn't seem like it was really that bad. I don't know why it's like that. Let's see here. Can we get any more speed out of it? Number 2. Number 3. It's trying to do something. I'm gonna unplug this heater here so we can hear it. Hear the fan. There we go. It's starting to pick up a little bit of speed now. It's moving air. Not much. There we go, now it's starting to get going. If I recall correctly, it actually went pretty fast at full power, so I don't think it's anywhere near its full speed yet. It's not moving an impressive amount of air, but it's moving air. Still picking up speed. Whoa. Yeah, this definitely has some aerodynamic issues to it. It sounds very restricted. Like the air kind of just stops. It's like the kind of like the Lasco breeze machines. I think that's what the model number is called. Doesn't seem like it's getting any faster. It's been years since I've used that other fan, so quite frankly I don't remember exactly how fast it went. I kind of remember it going very fast at full power. I tend to think it went faster than this, but maybe not. Or maybe this one doesn't work that well. It's drawing 36 watts, so it's right on spec. Actually, that's not a bad amount of air it's pushing out now. Maybe that is how it works. 31 watts. And 26 watts. And maybe that is as fast as it goes. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know what this would have retailed for. The retail price is on the box of that other one that I have. So we can find out what it would have retailed for. Or at least back in the day, I don't know what this one would have retailed for. But it's, you know, it's moving about as much air as I would expect from a cheap fan. It's shaking pretty good. Let's do a spin down. Huh. Those are some weird bearings in here. Alright, well, we'll do a clean and service on this at some point, and then I'll do a comparison video or a compression video, as it seems to be called in the comments box for some reason, between this fan and the white Liger Ways one that I have. And I'll get the manual out, we can see that too.